Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equal to 3 sine t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 9 sine t square, number 9, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change into cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. ds we have 3 cosine t dt. First derivative of sine t, you got cosine t. So we put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. This one we have 9 sine t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. So this one we have cosine t square. The square root of 9 cosine t square, we will have about 3 cosine t. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. So we just have only 3 sine t to the power of 3. Now we need to expand this one, and we have 27 sine t to the power of 3. So about this one, we can write into sine t square multiplied by sine t. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. So we can put cosine t square go to the right. And we have 1 minus cosine t square. So we can put this one to replace by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine t. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equal to negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative in here, so we need to put the negative next to the u. This one we have u to the power of 2. This one we have negative du. And now we have the final answer. The integration of the constant, you got about variable, that's about u. The integration of u square in here, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. About u, that's about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. So we got about t equal to r side of s over 3. So we can put this one to replace for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.